gusto mong tumakas, tumakbo, mag-give up, ask these 3 questions. Is this exhaustion or disobedience? Exhaustion, kagaya ng naranasan ni Elias? Or disobedience, kagaya ng naranasan ni Jonah? Kapag exhaustion, kailangan ng rest. But kung ito'y disobedience, kailangan ng repentance. Pangalawa, what if the adversity is the path? Paano kung ang ganitong sitwasyon ang tanging paraan lamang para ma-overcome mo ang sarili mo? Would you dare to accept it? Tatanggapin mo ba yung dare na yon, yung hamon na yon? Kagaya ng yung mga tinik na itinuturing ni Pablo, na siya naging dahilan, kaya sinasabi niya, my grace is sufficient for you. And number 3 and lastly, what if the staying is your greatest testimony? Bakit tayo nag-i-stay? Ang sabi dito, the world runs. There's a season for everything. The church remains. Di ba sabi ni Ellen White, even the church may fall, it will never fall. Kung tila iniisip nating babagsak ang gawain, babagsak ang iglesia, it will never fall, mga kapatid. Because your endurance is the toughness that preaches louder than your escape.